Welcome to Rajesh Kamal Spoken English Center. I am Jaya.
I am Ivy.
Today I am going to tell about village.
And I am going to tell about town.
Okay, let's know about village. Village is that place when people live honesty with unity. It is called village. Now I want to say about the advantage of village. There are many advantages of village. First of all, I want to say about tree. Tree is the most important in our life because we know that tree gives us oxygen, and we know that oxygen is the most important in our life because by oxygen we are alive. Without oxygen we can't alive. Tree gives us medicine. There are two types of medicine like herbal medicine and English medicine. But by tree we can make herbal medicine, and herbal medicine is good for our health because there is no any side effect. Tree gives us a furniture, and by furniture we make bench, table, chair. So it is a good. Tree gives us nice fruits and flowers. So it is a good for our health. So friends, we don't cut the tree. Rather we should grow more plants because you know that tree is life. If you will play with nature, then nature will also play with us. If you talk about the unity, then village is good because village have unity system is very good, and villages people live the joint family, and joint family is the most important in our life because if any problem come, then they solve together. So it is also good, and we know that unity is the strength. So unity is the most important in our life. If you talk about the agriculture, then it is also good. We know that agriculture is a backbone of our country. Agriculture is a backbone of our country, and villages peoples depend only the agriculture, and villages peoples grow the more plants and vegetables, and they run their family. So agriculture is also most important in our life. If you talk about the honesty, then village is good because villages people have more honesty, and they all work with honesty and kindness, and we know that honesty is the best policy. If you talk about the fitness, then village is good because the villages people live always the fitness and healthy because they eat fresh food, fresh vegetables. That's why they don't need the big hospitals, big clinics, and they don't suffer from this type of disease like gas problem, cancer, brain tumor. So it is good for our health. Now I want to say about the disadvantage of village. There are many disadvantages of village, but first of all I want to say about that lack of education. In village side area there is also government school is available, but government teacher don't teach to children. Only they sit on the chair, and they read the newspaper. So it is bad for village. If you talk about the superstition, then it is a very disadvantage of village because if any people is going to one place to another place, at that time one cat is crossing on the road. At that time people think that it is ammonium, and they return towards home. So it is a bad. If you talk about the untouchability, then it is a very big disadvantage of village because villager people think that nowadays also available untouchability, and we know that we have same blood. Even then people think that untouchability, and people think that you are poor and I am rich. So it is a bad. So thank you. Now it's your turn.
Before starting my topic, one question is arising on my mind that what is town? Town is a human settled area where all types of facilities are present. That's called town. Now I want to say about advantage of town. The first advantage of town is health facility. We know friends that our ancestors said that health is wealth. So health facilities are very important in our life. The second advantage is transport facility. In town, the transport facilities is very good, so we can travel anywhere easily. The third advantage is job opportunity. In town, there are very so many job opportunities are present. That's why people come town for looking a job. because in town there are most of the factories, companies and industries are present. The fourth advantage is education facilities. We all know that education is very important in our life, and in town there are good college, schools and universities are present. That's why town is good. Now I want to say about disadvantage of town. The first disadvantage of town is pollution. In town there are so many pollution are present. That's why town people always suffer from breathing problem. Now the second disadvantage. The second disadvantage is cost of living. In town the cost of living is very high and expensive. That's why some people cannot survive in town. The third disadvantage is crime. In town the crime rate is being increased day by day, like murder, harassment, blackmailing, kidnapping, etc. The fourth disadvantage is food. In town, we can't get fresh food. That's why town people always suffer from diarrhea, jaundice, acidity. Thank you.
Thanks to all for listening our topic. Always be happy and cheer up. Thank you.